Parvati Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Everyone is hankering after what is God. What is the nature of God? Somebody says there is no God. Somebody says God is dead. These are all doubts. But here Krishna says, asangsam. He'll be doubtless. He'll feel, he'll know perfectly well that God is there. Krishna is there. And He is the source of all energies. He is the primal Lord. These things you will learn without any doubt. The first thing is, we do not make progress in transcendental knowledge on account of doubts. Samsaya. These doubts can be removed by culture of real knowledge, by real association, by following the real methods. The doubts can be removed. The Krishna consciousness persons, they are not after will-o'-the-wisp, phantasmagoria. No. They are actually making progress to the concrete Supreme Personality of Godhead, as it is stated in the Brahma Samhita. Chintamani prakara sadamasu kalpa vrikkhalakhyabhritesu surabhi rabhipalantam. There is a planet which is called Chintamani Dham, goal of Vrindavan. So, in that Dhama, as it is stated in the Bhagavad Gita, Madhyama. Dhama means his abode. Krishna says, I have got an abode, particular. How you can deny? How is that abode? That is also described in Bhagavad Gita and many other Vedic literature. Jadgatyana nivartante tadhama paramang mama. Here, any dhama, any planet you go, either not by Sputniks, even by natural birth, any planet you go, just like we have got in this planet. But we have to go back from this planet. You will not be allowed to stay here. You are Americans, that's all right. But how long you shall remain American? These people, they do not understand it. You will have to go back and some other planet and some other place. You cannot say, no, I shall remain here. I have got my visa or my permanent citizenship. No. This is not allowed. One day death will come, please exit. No, sir, I have got so many business. No. Damn your business. Come on. You see? But if you go to Krishna Loka, Krishna says, Jadgatyana nivattante, you will have got to come back again. Jadgatyana nivattante tadhamam paramam mama. This is also Krishna's dham. Because everything belongs to God, Krishna. Nobody is proprietor. These claim that this land, America, belongs to us, United States. This is false claim. It does not belong to you, nobody else. Just like some years ago, 400 years ago, it belonged to the Indians, Red Indians. And somewhere or other, you have now occupied. Who can say that the others will not come here and occupy? So this is all false claim. Actually, everything belongs to Krishna. Krishna says that Sarvaloka Maheshwara, I am the supreme proprietor, controller of all planets. So everything belongs to Him. But Krishna says everything belongs to Him, so everything is His dhamma, His place, His abode. So why should He change here? But He says, Jadgatya nivartante तद्ध्यामम परमम।
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama